Hello, this is a quick video on how to change the language setting on a UNI-T UDP3000S series power supply. The choices of languages for this model are Chinese, English, and German. Should you wish to change a language and you find it in a language you're not familiar with, simply come here to Utility, and you'll see even though the menu is in Chinese, language is still in English. Turn the knob, press it, and you have a choice now of German, English, or Chinese. Simply press English, and now you see your language is back to English. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at uni-trendus.com. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.